Hindi yun yung bilin ng ating Panginoon sa Kristo. Instead, what did He say? This is my commandment to you. Love one another as I have loved you. Mahalin niyo ang inyong kapwa. This re-echoes the message of Christ when He said, you turn the other cheek. When somebody punch you on the left, turn the right cheek. When someone threw stone to you, transform them into love. Give bread. Share your life. If someone do you wrong, do them good. Pray for them and bless them. This is the message. This is the love that Christ is telling His disciples. Thus, He transformed that kind of agony and pain and suffering which most of us would always avoid. We do not want to suffer. We do not want discomforts in life. We always want to live comfortable. We always want to feel less pain as much as possible. Yet Christ is telling us that by embracing our pain and suffering, we could participate in the suffering. And He is telling us that He is always with us. He is transforming the suffering of humanity and bearing this with a cross. When the gospel writer says God will glorify you in this glory of God, this means the kabod in Hebrew. This means the weight of God's presence.